Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we're making bean dip, vegetarian one for all your leaf eaters. So starting out, we have half a cup of corn, 1 can of kidney beans, black beans, and Rotel tomatoes, cheese, Chipotle spice, a veggie meat patty, or whatever the heck that is. That's the box for it. And a casserole dish. And a can opener. So we're actually going to start off with opening a can. You have to keep it straight and aligned. There you go. So now just turn it. Try not to cut yourself, so watch those fingers when taking. And now we have a pull tab one. So now we're going to go over to the sink and drain out our beans. Going to pour out our beans. So next you may want to get your water running and just quick rinse off your beans. So now we're going to take our rinsed kidney beans. You can do black beans first. We're just going to into the casserole. Now we're going to take our black beans. So now after basically power washing them, just lift the dish and boom. And so now you just blocking kidney beans. Okay, so next we're gonna add our tomatoes. Next we're gonna add our corn. Half of this. It's a plant-based beef. Ground beef, it's plant-based ground beef. So yeah, we're just gonna cut this open and use about half. Oh well. And we just kind of it reminds me of a smell. It reminds me of a smell that I can't quite put my. It smells like Scrabble. Anyways, yeah. So now we're gonna try to season it. That's enough. Okay, so now before we add the cheese, we're going to want to preheat the oven to 350. So now we're going to take out our cheese and sprinkle it. Okay. Oh, now we're going to try the bean dip. Ooh. 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 That's good. That's really good. Y'all can make it. And it's all for today on Wilson and Family Kitchen. Have a good night. Have a good day. Anything. Just thanks for watching. Make sure to press like and subscribe. Have a good day. So how to do this is you take it, align this, like the blade part with like the ring. This gear should go underneath it a little bit. Then you just turn it. And also you have to squeeze it. Ah, it hurts.
Here, I can get it.